Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. First of all, thank you so much for 50 subscribers, it means a lot to me. Keep supporting like this. It really encourages me to make more creative contents like this. So, this video is all about the art contest I am hosting for achieving my 50 subscribers. I will be telling you the prompt somewhere in the middle of this video, so don't skip this video. If it's really boring, then you can check some important stuffs in my description down below. I couldn't make this video in one go like other videos I make. I had to take breaks cause I was really busy. So I haven't filmed some detailing parts of this painting. I hope you don't mind. So let's talk about this contest. I basically wanted to keep this simple. But the prompt which I got is something average medium difficulty level kind of. So I hope you guys can enter. It is like challenging yourself for trying something new and creative. I have two prompts, it's definitely not draw this in your style challenge. I googled some prompt generator thingy. And came up with two prompts. Both are magical, creative, and fun. So let's talk about the rules first. Try to come up with your own ideas, or you can definitely use many reference photos which are on the internet, combine those references and come up with the final art piece like I am doing. I obviously use Pinterest for my references, and mix match other photos and come up with the final art piece. It's really fun. You can use any medium, there is no restriction. In that, you can draw it traditionally or digitally, I don't mind. You can draw both prompts if you like, if not one is enough. If you draw both the prompts, it will be considered as 2 entries. Don't forget the hashtag number Inspired50, and the very important rule is have fun. Yeah, have fun whatever you do, enjoy it. Okay, let's talk about prizes. There are 3 places. I will be listing a random prizes, you can choose any out of that. First place winners can choose any 3, second place winner can choose 2, finally, the third place winner can choose any one out of the list. If I get more than 15 entries, there will be honorable mentions. Check out my description for prizes information. How to submit. You can either upload a clear video on YouTube or send me a clear photo of your artwork through my mail, which will be in the description down below. Write your name if you can. You can even send me through Pinterest. Even the Pinterest account link will be the description. Okay guys, let's finally talk about the prompt. As I told before, I got this prompt from a prompt generator. And here it is. You don't have to draw exactly as given in the prompt, you can simplify it. The first one was, a great enchantress gathering storm clouds around her for a cloak. And the second one was a woman painting a mural of a garden scene on her wall, which is melting into the actual garden outside. This prompt is so fun and exciting. I wanted to draw this, but as I told, I was really busy, so I couldn't draw it. I guess many of you are going to draw the second one. Deadline, guys, you have whole 2 months. Yes, you heard it right. Now it's August, the deadline is October 31st. Because I won't be much active in these 2 months, I am having exams in October end, so I can check your entries only after October, that is in the month of November, so you have whole 2 months to enter. Have fun, and don't forget the hashtag number Inspirate50. So that's it for today guys. If you have any queries, feel free to ask me. You can hit me up in the comments section below, or you can text me in Pinterest, or you can even mail me. Take care guys, I hope many of you will enter.